In this video, I simply want to show how a language is a matrix. So I'm going to use English, but it works in any language. So in my column verb, I'm going to put the verb I am, and in vocabulary, I'm going to start filling up that branch, so to speak, with vocabulary such as I am Tony, I am from Chicago, I am a teacher, I'm at home right now, I'm making a video on my computer, etc. There's already virtually infinite sentences that you could create stemming from I am, no? So the next thing I'll do is put the verb are you, and I now have multiplied this capacity by 2. I can now say are you Tony, or whatever name. Are you from Chicago? Are you a teacher? Are you a student? So on and so forth. Are you at home right now? So on and so forth. If the answer is yes, that's a useful expression, right? So yes, I am Tony. Yes, I am from Chicago. Yes, I am a teacher. Or I might say no, I am not from Chicago. I am not a teacher. I am not, so on and so forth, right? Now, using just those few words or building blocks, I can now speak on the topic self. Let's say that instead of the topic self, or if I want to continue and add the topic home, the verb I would want then would be I live. And the same process just repeats. So I live in Chicago. I live in Logan Square in Chicago. To make a conversation, I'll want the verb in second person form of a question. Do you live in Chicago? Do you live in Logan Square? Yes, I live in Chicago. Or no, I don't live in Chicago. If I add the useful expression but and now, watch what I can do. I can say I am from North Carolina originally. I am from North Carolina originally, but I live in Chicago now. You see? So my conversation just continues to grow. I can continue to add topics here. Any topic will work, and I'll continue to need verbs in the form of first person and second person form of a question, and eventually third person and second person plural, and so on and so forth. But basically, this is the top left-hand corner of the entire thing. So as my list of topics grows, my verb column will naturally grow, right? So if my topic ends up being sports, then my verb will be I play, or I like, or I watch, right, and so on and so forth. So as my topic axis grows, my verb axis will grow, and vice versa, right? If I add a verb, it would trigger that topic. For example, if I put the verb I fish, no, then the topic would probably be fishing. Okay, so as both axes grow, the conversation automatically populates. And so what I don't need to be doing is I don't need to be analyzing and trying to learn the language. I just populate the cells and then mix and match building blocks to create instant conversation. So that's the idea. It works in every language. And stay tuned for more topics and languages.